This is 100 people.
You gonna post this on YouTube?
Yes, I am.
You got enough space, Luke?
Yes, I do.
Are you recording right now?
I'm going.
You're wasting space.
You want me to record? He's doing it from the ramp.
Oh.
There we go.
Did you hit record?
No.
Oh! It's gonna look like it went. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh!
They're like off.
Recording your voice right now,
Bad.
All right, now watch it, Luke.
So you can just put music on.
So all of you watching the show?
Yeah, he's videoing it.
You need a heavy car.
How? How?
Did you look to see if that red ramp
Ow.
lines up with that other ramp? It looks like they're
How?
not quite lined up.
Why don't you stop it and start it again, buddy?
The drama.
Oh!
Right in your phone.
It broke the phone. Was it recording, Luke?
Yeah.
Okay, watch
Awesome.
Why don't you stop it, honey, because it's too hard to send it when it's...
Good thing you got a good.
Wait. Woohoo! Okay.
Hey, just let your glove just smash on the ground. That's not very nice. Jeez.
Oh, fail.
Oh!
Luke, watch the video first.
Look, honey, it's too hard to send something when it's this big. You need to stop it and start it again, sweetie.
You won't be able to send it to your friends.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to.
Wah.
Stop it and then
Hey.
stop the video, honey. That's in Splendor.
Just don't do it, man. Yes. Oh.
Okay, I guess we're not going to be able to